In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send emails from Clickup. To do this, you will first enable Clickup email features in your workspace settings, then connect your email account, and finally send messages directly from inside a task so replies stay organized in the activity feed. Start by navigating to the list where you are working, such as a meetings or tracking list in your workspace. From there, click Settings. In the Settings area, find and open Email Integration. This is where Clickup manages anything related to sending and receiving email from within the platform. Next, click Email Clickup. This is the feature that turns email on inside Clickup tasks. From here, choose the option to sign in with Google to connect a Gmail account. If your team uses another provider, this is also where you would connect an email using other supported methods. But for this walkthrough, we are using the Google sign-in. Once the connection is set up, open the Email Accounts section. This is where you can confirm which mailbox Clickup will send from. Then open Signatures to add or adjust an email signature that will automatically appear on the messages you send from Clickup. After that, open Templates. Templates are helpful when you send similar emails often, because they save time and keep your messaging consistent. Now return to Email Accounts again, and turn on the setting that posts replies to emails as threaded replies instead of new comments. This is an important detail because it keeps email conversations grouped together in the task, so the full context is easier to follow later. Next, select the space you want to enable for email. Then click into the selection field, type to search, and choose the correct space option from the list. Once your space is selected, you are ready to send an email from a task. Go back to your list and open a task, such as a meeting item. Inside the task, scroll to the comment area and click Comment. Then switch from the regular comment view to the Email tab. This changes the editor into an email composer tied to this task. Add your recipients, write your subject and message, and use your signature or templates if needed. When replies come back, they will appear on the task activity thread, keeping everything in one place. That covers everything you need to know.